Mirage 2000, Dassault Aviation. The Mirage 2000 is very similar to the Mirage 3/5 and 50, though it is not a variant of the Mirage 3/5 or 50 but an entirely new aircraft with advanced interceptor controls. In its secondary ground attack role, the Mirage 2000 carries laser-guided missiles, rockets and bombs. There's a two-seat version of this aircraft, the 2000N, Penetration, which has nuclear standoff capability. The wings are low-mounted delta with clip tips. There is one turbofan engine mounted in the fuselage. There are semicircular air intakes alongside the fuselage forward of the wings. There is a large, single exhaust which protrudes past the tail. The fuselage is tube-shaped with a pointed nose and a bubble canopy. There are no tail flaps. The fin is swept back and tapered with a clip tip. The Mirage 2005 is a multi-role single-seater or two-seater fighter. It differs from its predecessors mainly in its avionics, its new multiple target air-to-ground and air-to-air firing procedures linked to the use of RDY radar, and its new visualization and control system. As a multi-role combat aircraft with versatile air-to-air mission capabilities, the Mirage 2005 integrates the state-of-the-art of the know-how based on the experience gained from the previous Mirage 2000 versions, Mirage 2000DA, Mirage 2000E, Mirage 2000E, and is designed for the most advanced armaments. The Mirage 2000E, derived from the Mirage 2000 and operated by the French Air Force, is a two-seater air-to-ground attack aircraft. The Mirage 2000E tactical penetration two-seater fighter carries air-to-ground high-precision weapons which can be fired at a safe distance, by day or by night. Its navigation and attack system enable it to fly in any weather conditions, hugging the terrain at a very low altitude. Beyond the nuclear weapons capabilities adopted for the Mirage 2000N, the Mirage 2000D armament includes laser-guided weapons,